Meet your new workshop hero. This compact black metal clamp with vibrant orange accents delivers professional performance for all your DIY projects. Its 8 mounting holes offer incredible versatility, whether you are drilling, welding, or crafting jewelry. The aluminum alloy body ensures durability, while the protective pads prevent scratches on your precious materials. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and smart shopping tips. Key features: aluminum alloy construction, 8 mounting points, adjustable screw mechanism, and protective orange pads.